Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a high-tier sword, an enchantment table, 15 bookshelves, lapis, and XP. Place the bookshelves one block away in a full ring to enable level 30 enchants. Once done, insert your sword and lapis, then use 30 levels to roll for high-tier enchantments. You must repeat enchants or use enchanted books. Enchantment table rolls are random, so be prepared to try multiple times to obtain Sweeping Edge specifically. If the table isn't giving Sweeping Edge reliably, set up a librarian trade loop. Place a lectern, trade to lock the librarian's initial offer, then break and replace the lectern to reset its enchantment book offer until Sweeping Edge appears. Once you see the book, level the villager to reduce cost and stockpile emeralds to buy it. This method saves XP and preserves your sword. Combine the bought book on an anvil to apply Sweeping Edge cleanly. Combine the enchanted book and your sword on an anvil, pay the XP cost, and confirm the enchantment name shows Sweeping Edge. Test on groups of mobs to see the widened sweep damage. Timing and sprinting affect sweep behavior, so practice your attack cadence. If you don't get the book, make sure you're in Java Edition behavior or reset the librarian trade loop and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if trades never offer the book, reassign the lectern after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.